Need extra storage that fits any room and every need? Naomi Home presents the Parker 5-drawer cabinet with 5 easy-to-open drawers and sleek modern handles. This cabinet keeps everything from paperwork to makeup organized and right at your fingertips. And thanks to its smooth rolling wheels, you can move it wherever you need and keep it securely in place with its locking mechanisms. Simply press down to lock in place. Its ideal size makes it the perfect companion for desks, vanities, or any space needing a clutter-free upgrade. Get yours today and organize with style. This office cabinet is available in various colors such as white and chestnut. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share for more Naomi Home content. You can find the product link and more in the description below.